Hey everyone, just showing you a custom site real quick. I want to show you a single feature for it. So these guys got a custom site built because they really have a lot on it. They've got a lot to say, and so they wanted to make sure to be able to include all that stuff. And they are new to our websites and they don't want to mess everything up. So once we built this thing, we realized the extreme importance of being able to let them restore what they did before in case they mess anything up, so that they can easily go back and make adjustments. So that became a new feature we're putting through everybody's websites, and that's called Backup System. So now I'm inside the panel, and I'll just show you how that works. I can create a backup of the whole website right now by simply hitting the processing button. And that's good because I can restore it if I need, and it'll return everything on the site back to its original settings. So if anyone went in and accidentally deleted some pages they didn't mean to, or wrote some bad stuff in the sections and it came out wrong and they couldn't remember what was there before and they want it back, anything like that, boom, this is done. And the coolest thing is we allow it to create 3 backups. Once you create 3, then the system just tells you can't create any more unless you delete one of them, but that's okay. Delete the one, probably the oldest one, the one that you don't need anymore. So you can have a rolling 3 backup process. Deleting is simple, just delete what you're not going to use. Restoring is simple, just hit the restore button and it puts the site right back the way it was, and then that way you can continue and make other changes. So if you want to roll through your changes as you go, so you make changes along the way and you want to make sure you can restore each step or go back to the beginning, that's the reason for the 3. So you can have even your earliest backup stays there, and then maybe you create one more, and then you make some changes, create another one, and then decide you want to delete the middle one and the top one, but leave the original one, and then continue from there. You have total control over which ones you delete. And since each backup has its own date timestamp, it's easy to keep track of which is which. Okay, there's a pretty cool new feature. It allows even beginners to our website platform to be able to make changes and dive in and test things without worrying that they're going to break anything. Okay.